Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be discussing with you the February design trends that I like, and also trends that are non-intimidating, they're achievable, and that you can implement into your own space without a lot of confusion. And I've just noticed that my camera is off center, so I'm just going to fix that because it's going to annoy me. Okay, I think that's better. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to start off with pattern, because pattern at the minute is huge because we're coming into spring, summer, and you'll see a lot of like florals, geometric prints, you'll see all that, and birds, you'll see a lot of birds on sheets and cushions and all that. You'll see a lot of like spring related and summer related prints like palm trees, all that. And the patterns I've noticed are all bold patterns, they're all contrasting with each other, so you'd have like a flower print against like a plaid, which is like really cool, and you have like a geometrics, floral, and then line is like a very interesting pattern because it's very popular now, and line is very cool because you can create like heights, you can create widths, you can just do so much cool stuff with line. And I'll have like pictures on this side to kind of show you what I mean, kind of examples of what I'm talking about, just to back myself up. And yeah, so pattern is going to be huge this time of year, and I'm really loving that contrast between, you know, feminine patterns against like a more straight and like structured kind of print like plaid, or I'll put it up here. And a good thing to know is as well is if you look at fashion and interiors tie kind of hand in hand. So yeah, so if you watch like fashion shows and stuff like that, you'll see, yeah, and that's on there, and that's fashion designers are using will be in interiors as well, because they kind of go hand in hand. It's all creative and it's all pattern and it's all colour and it's all structure, it's all the same kind of thing, just fashion is on clothes and interiors is for your home. Another thing that I really like is symmetry, so like interiors that like have an harmonious feel, so you have a lot of like balance, and just a lot of like balance and like structure, and just everything kind of working well with each other. So like symmetry, like this is symmetry here, but this is kind of asymmetrical, having like a plant on one side, no plant on the other side, but that's basically what I mean by symmetry. And then colours that are really big as well now is I'm seeing a lot of pinks and blues and greens, purples, and a lot of mustard. I've seen a lot of mustard, kind of like burnt oranges as well, and also like pastels are going to be massive for spring and summer. So if you want to get ahead of that game, I'd start like getting some pastel pieces for your home, like throws, pillows, all that. And then browns and also metallics are going to be huge as well. You know, so metallics are really big in like, you know, they're big in ottomans and lighting, so like chandeliers and table lights, just huge. And a designer that I'm really loving, he does some amazing like pieces, is Jonathan Adler. So if you go check him out, he does like amazing home versions. Now his stuff aren't cheap, they're very expensive actually, so you won't see me getting any of them, but like, you know, in the future maybe. But these pieces are so like, they're all like made from scratch, they're absolutely like stunning, like one of a kind pieces, they're amazing. But I really love like the juxtaposition as well, that's still real trendy. It's like, so you'd have like a solid like cabinet that has like, you know, geometric prints. I'll actually insert a picture of like a cabinet example here, and a picture example actually of what I mean. And then you'd have like two chairs either side, or like a chair, and it's all soft luxurious fabric, and it's curvy and it's upholstered, and it's just real soft against like something real structured, and just very, I just love that look. Or like even having something modern and something traditional, like just the juxtaposition of both of them is just like, I don't think that's ever going to go out of style, to be honest, juxtaposition. So if you're into that, I definitely get onto that. I love that personally, I think it's amazing. I've always loved juxtaposition though, like even in fashion, like the juxtaposition. So like if you had like a leather jacket over a dress, as that feminine against that masculine. It's like a nice juxtaposition, so yeah, it's just always going to be amazing. So yeah guys, that's all my trends that I've noticed for this month. It's not as in-depth as last month. It's kind of because the same kind of stuff kind of trickle over each month, but they're the things I've noticed with, like, you know, Fashion Week and all that that's happened this month. They're the main kind of things I've noticed about the trends for February, and then the February trends kind of go over to March trends, and then the March trends kind of trickle over to April. Like, this is kind of like that, and then I'll do, like, at the end of the spring season, I'll kind of do an overhaul of what was in and what's out for, like, the next season, and just kind of that kind of stuff. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know I can do it with the help of you. So please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I